Hi everyone, my name is Ashwini and I am an English speaking learner. If you want to learn English speaking but you feel confused and you don't know from where I can start, you don't understand which things should I learn first and how can I start, how can I practice, which kind of sources I need to learn English speaking, because English is useful everywhere. When you know English speaking, then you feel more confident. But when you don't know how to speak and you don't understand English, I'm not just talking on just understanding and just speaking. I will talk about how can you speak English, how can you practice English in your life, then you can speak English. Now, for your kind information, I am still learning English. I'm not perfect in English, but daily I am learning English. So that's why in today's video, I will tell you exact same roadmap which I followed when I started. That time I didn't have anyone to guide me, but I started and still I am learning. So in this video, I will tell you exact those things which help me, because I know that when while you are watching someone and you feel, yeah, they are speaking very well in English, but I can't speak English. I want to speak English, but I don't know how can I speak English. And in this video, I will tell you without spending any rupees, because we are from India and we use here rupee. So without any rupees spent, you can learn English using your internet, just internet and mobile. If you are watching this video, absolutely you have internet and you have mobile. You have a mobile. So in this video, I share you my real process. In this video, I didn't. I will. I won't share you anything like just anything which I heard someone. I started just watching someone. That time I watched someone and she was speaking in the front of camera because she want to improve her English. But that time that girl no English speaking and I started from exact zero. When I watched someone, they were that time when I was watching someone and they were speaking English. I couldn't understand. But in this video, I tell you, if you want to start English speaking, just open your camera and directly speak in the front of camera and every day upload on YouTube. You can use for adding captions on your video. CapCut. CapCut is banned in India, so you can use VPN. Before use CapCut, you go Google and no, go YouTube and search how can I use CapCut, and then you can understand. No need to learn extra features and it all. When you download CapCut and you upload their video, you just need to find caption icon. Just click there and then CapCut will automatically add to captions on your video. Every day every day record yourself. Maybe you will speak 2 minutes or minimum 2 minutes, but maximum 10 minutes. Anything, anytime you can. Which time you like, around 5 minutes, 6 minutes. just record yourself and pick one teacher, do on YouTube, who one you like, I don't know, but I prefer from my side, I choose Dear Sir. I will give, I will put that spoken English course in this video description. You can go in description and you can see that playlist. From that playlist your you start your like daily routine, exact every day, watch video, do exact practice as that sir saying you. And they, when they say do this practice instantly, that time you do this practice. When they when they are uh, they when they are telling to you speak this and use this, that time you speak. Your words need to come out of your mouth, because actually you want to learn speaking and you are just watching. This is not worth it. If you want to learn speaking, you need to speak. Okay, you start with speaking. Every day you have roadmap, because you have guidance. And Dear Sir is very best teacher for spoken English. And now Dear Sir spoken English course is starting in 2026, but I watched Dear Sir 2025 batch. So I put that link in this description. And every time when you are doing anything, let's say you are putting makeup, you are combing your hair, and you are eating, that time whatever you are doing, or sometimes anyone speak anything, you translate that things in English. Try to translate. And first, I know that it is hard. I when i when i i was translating that thing, I make a lot of mistakes. And sometimes I confuse which word is correct here. So that time you can use Google. You just speak there. This is a sentence. मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? Let's say I don't know. Just go Google and speak there. मैं खाना बना रही हूँ. Translate in English. Then Google will give you result. I am cooking food. Like this. Then next time when you are doing cooking and you are making cooking, that time you automatically remember that word, that sentence, because our mind work like this. When you no need to memorize all things, when you practically learn those things, you automatically remember those things. And if you forget, no matter, you have mobile, you can search on mobile and everywhere. Just and starting, don't watch fast English videos, watch slow English videos. And when you watch someone video, then you feel frustrated, demotivated, English is not for me, that kind of videos avoid to watch. Okay, all right, you understand what I am speaking? I want to speak slowly, but now I like to speak in this speed. This is normal speed, I think. And you know what, after you each try to, in starting, each and everyone translate your mother tongue to English. Now my mother tongue is Marathi, but I used to translate Hindi to English. So I was translated Hindi to English. Still sometimes I translate Hindi to English. And this is just common. Everyone say you can start thinking. But you know what, without knowing so many vocabulary things, how can you think in English? You just daily learn something new, and in that course, I suggested you can learn so many things. You need to in English speaking you need tenses. Then that teacher tell you when you need to learn tenses. In starting you no need to learn tenses, and just make mistakes in starting. Don't feel irritated and frustrated about your mistakes, because we are learning English without that English surrounding. We are learning alone, and I, we don't have anyone to tell you this is your mistakes and you need to improve here. I learned each and everything by myself. And you know what? Make mistakes. Don't feel shy. No one can judge you, because anyone don't anyone doesn't have time to judge you. Now you can see still I'm making mistakes, but I stopped. No, I never stop, because I know that I want to improve English, and English take English speaking takes time, patience, your effort. So every day just do this, and when you are going on YouTube, try to learn new actions, vocabulary with real examples. And ChatGPT, you know ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very useful to learn English speaking. You can go ChatGPT right there. My English level is this. If in starting you are not able to speak like this, so you can speak in Hindi and tell them मेरा 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 इतना इतना लेवल है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, हाउ कैन आई स्टार्ट, like this kind of you can speak. And then ChatGPT tell you learn these things, these things. ChatGPT can give anything, but you have choice to how can you learn and which kind of things you have to need to start English speaking. I tell you, you learn their stories, real stories. Tell ChatGPT, I want to learn real stories, and use simple English, and which kind of hard words when you used in above story, give me that hard word meaning in Hindi. Then you remember this word meaning is this word meaning is this. Just understand, don't try to memorize, okay? And these things are gradually improve. No need to learn all things in one day, because when you try to learn all things one day you feel so many frustrated. I know that I have experienced of that things. Still I'm making mistakes, and I live in village. That's why I need more time to learn English, because I learn from my native language in school. I don't know. I'm struggling with English speaking because of my education system, because of where I studied. There they didn't teach English well. That's why I'm struggling today. But it's okay. No matter. I'm improving, and this is great thing. So if you want to improve, guys, you can do this. And these are all real things, not fake and anything. And one more thing, don't in starting, don't try to practice anyone directly. Don't need to, you no need to find any application. And you, when you in starting, so many people's So many people they think when I practice anyone and I will directly speak in English very good. This is not real. This is not truth. Because when you trying to speak anyone and they are very good in English and you don't know, even you don't understand what they are speaking, how can you speak English? You don't know grammar rules, you don't know if the structure is correct, you don't know how to ask questions, and you know, when you feel demotivated, you watch my first day video. You can watch my playlist how I started from very zero level. That time I couldn't understand English. When I watch English videos, I feel so frustrated, and I that time I was just struggling. I didn't have anyone guidance and anything I didn't have. So still I'm learning, I'm making daily videos, I'm making mistakes, and these all things are natural because if you have that determination, that desire to improve yourself, so you can improve yourself. Just need to believe on yourself and you can do anything whatever you want. So guys, now my hand is hurting, so okay. So guys, you are learning English, let's say, okay. Suppose you are learning English and first day you don't understand anything. It's okay, don't quit, don't judge yourself on first day. We are human beings and we need time. So it's depend on your background, where are you from. If you are from village, you need more time because in village everyone speak Gauti language, which means our desi language, and if you are from city, you can understand easily because in city so many people they speak very well and they are just native speaking is just very well. That's why they used to they used to just what say, they used to listen new words, they used to see new things every day. They can watch, they watch every day new people, but in village we every day watch same people's same surrounding. Nothing is different. Every day simple and same environment, same things, same routine, all things same. But you need to change that things. When you when you are watching anything, let's say this is a neem tree, but I don't know what's the English in this tree. When I search on Google, Google can say me this is neem tree. Then next time I remember, oh, this is neem tree. On this neem tree have so many branches, and neem tree is widely spreaded. And that behind is banyan tree. Banyan tree means wadach is hard. Like this kind of things you learn, and these things take time. I know it, but I know it. This, but don't quit. And you know, when you are doing these things daily, then you feel satisfied because you are doing something. You are improving yourself, and improvement not comes from one day. It takes time. You have to understand it. When you understand this thing, then you feel every day satisfied while learning. But when you want to just learning quick English, and you are not able to understand, you are not able to speak, so that thing frustrate you, that thing annoy you, because this is not one day process. It needs time, and you have to give time here. I hope you understand. And which kind of things remain should I tell you? I am thinking, and just I'm thinking, and I will tell you. Okay. Well, I remember one thing. Every platform when you open, try to watch English things. Okay, on YouTube, try to watch slow English videos. Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, try to learn new things, and don't consume Hindi or your native language content. Please more consume English content. At least 3 4 months, and at least 30 days daily do this. Practice, record yourself, learn from that spoken English course, practice whatever you want. And when you don't understand what should I speak in the front of camera, that time you just what is your feeling, and how can what is your feeling right now, and how how can other people improve their English speaking. You can speak on this kind of things, and whatever you are doing, you can speak on this. Anything you can on anything you can speak. And you know what, here you don't need to spend any rupees. You just need to give here your time, and time is more expensive than money. You know what, everyone want to earn money, but in village have no any sources to earn money. I hope you understand, and if you want to speak English, do this at least 30 days, then you can see your result in after 30 days. And then you feel satisfied because you did this and you will start speaking English. I hope you understand. We will meet in our next video, and if you have any question, doubt, please tell me. And we will learn English together in our next videos, and I like to talk to you. Bye bye, guys.